We're gonna do an unboxing of this DJI Mic Mini. The DJI brand is important because they do, of course, the drones. But when they started, or the first products that I bought from them was the gimbals, basically, of doing prosumer products that help you in the production of content. And that's how the DJI brand started. And then they got into another technology, the drone technology, and that's what mostly people know about DJI. But the truth is that they are really good, and they have developed technologies that help you with the production of content, especially in the outdoors. So that technology was implemented on this product. This is DJI Mini microphones. So this is a microphone set. So there's two microphones and a transmitter. And what's important about this technology is the transmitter. You can when people use these microphones, the reliability score is really high because you know that you're not going to have failure with the connection between the transmitter and the microphone, thus ruining your production. So the production value is almost guaranteed. Now, the difference between this DJI Mini and the other DJI Mini microphones is that this doesn't record locally. The other DJI microphones record locally, which means that, of course, they do a transmission from the microphone to the transmitter, and that gets recorded into the central sound system or whatever sound system you're using to record. But these other microphones also had a memory in them where they recorded the sound locally. So you had two copies of the sound, which is really good if you want to pay for that. These, they don't have this. This is just a microphone and transmitter set. There's two transmitters here and two microphones. So it comes with this really nice pouch. I mean, DJI is always good with their packaging. They're amazing. And this pouch is really, really they did a good job with this. Really nice. Let's see what's in here. So, cat, or yeah, these are wind protectors so that you can put on the microphones. We call it cattails. A USB to 1/8 cable to do transfer of sound. And then, I love it, there's this right here where you got the carrying case for the transmitters and the microphone. This is so nice. Check this out. Let me zoom in here so that you can see this better. Okay. So, check this out. They did a really good job with this. And this is built for the outdoors. It's very, very hard plastic. Outdoors rugged hard plastic. This is to charge like the whole unit. And when you get it new, make sure that there's a sticker there. That sticker shows that this product is new. So let's press down, and there you go. The transmitters, and they have charge. It looks, that's awesome. So it's the two microphones on each side and the transmitter. Let's take them out to take a look. This box protects it from anything, from hurricanes. This is so sturdy. I wish you could feel it. So let's take out the transmitter microphones. They're really, really small. You see that? Very, very small. And this is the shoe where you put it in here to charge, right? Make sure that And then let's look at the transmitter. The transmitter is really nice, and you can buy an adapter because this you can put. I wish I had a camera here. You see this base here? You can stick that in a shoe, whoop, in a shoe adapter, and it stays there really nice. You can do all the controlling here, and it will be, it's not like a bug in a rug. And it has the other microphone right here, very small. So you want it to, I mean, I don't like how a lot of producers, they want you to see the microphones. I like hiding them. Really nice here, right? But these microphones, which is ridiculous because those microphones, that the big DJI microphones, they have a 1/8 entrance, like a 1/8 input, so that you can connect a lapel microphone and hide it real nice. But still, they put this big box here, which I don't understand why. This has different ways of connecting, right? And the microphone is in this top part of the unit, right? And in this case, it has this magnet. You see this thing right here? This is a magnet, very tough. So then you take it here, you put it, and that's not gonna go anywhere. You see? It's not gonna go anywhere. And the magnet on the other side, the microphone, up here you put it up, and it looks like a little dot. You see, you almost can't, it's almost imperceptible. So this is the new DJI mini microphones. Do your research when you're deciding whether to use these DJIs or the other DJIs. They all have there's a beautiful product. Both are beautiful products, but you know, the more expensive DJI microphones, they have their all other benefits that you might want to consider. But everything DJI is 100% recommended.